Uttarakhand. Geography. Garhwal districts. First, Dehradun. Second, Haridwar. Third, Tigri Garhwal. Fourth, Uttarkashi. Fifth, Chamoli. Sixth, Pauri Garhwal. Seventh, Rudraprayag. Kumaon districts. First, Almora. Second, Bageshwar. Third, Champawat. Fourth, Nainital. Fifth, Pithoragarh. Sixth, Rudrapur. State symbol. Three mountains topped by the great Ashoka pillar and river Ganga flowing at the bottom. State animal. Musk deer. State bird. Monal. State flower. Brahma Kamal. State tree. Burnish. Tourism. Dehradun. Tapovan. Ashram of Guru Dronacharya. Tapkeshwar Temple. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and associated with legends from the Mahabharata. Rajaji National Park. Large number of elephant population. Rishikesh. Lakshman Jhula. Lakshman had crossed the river Ganga in this place. Now, a suspended iron bridge built in 1939 exists here. Bharat Mandir. Adiguru Shankaracharya, oldest temple in Rishikesh and is located on the bank of river Gangas, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, whose idol carved out of a single salagram stands here. Haridwar, known as the gateway of gods, gateway to other Char Dham. Chandi Devi Temple. Mansa Devi Temple. This temple is dedicated to the goddess Mansa Devi, the snake goddess. Kumbh Mela every 12th year on Har Ki Pauri. The Kumbh Mela is the most famous Hindu fair. It is believed that during Kumbh Mela in Haridwar, water of Ganga acquires medicinal properties. Nainital, beautiful hill town and attractive summer destination for North Indians and also from the other parts of the country. Mussoorie, situated in the foothills of the Himalaya ranges, also known as the Queen of Hills at 7,000 feet. Sri Hemkund Sahib. It is one of most important 6 shrines situated at very high altitude in 4,000 meters. 7 peaks known as Sapt Shring surround the shrine. Valley of Flowers. It is located in the Chamoli district. The beautiful valley stretching over an area of approximately 87.5 square kilometers. Most of the species of flowers found here having medicinal value. Corbett National Park, named after the hunter turned conservationist Jim Corbett. It is the oldest national park. Contains 488 different species of plants and a diverse variety of fauna. Oli, known for the best skiing slope in Asia. Oli is a grazing land stretched mountains an area of about 6 kilometers. Almora. Almora is situated between Kaushiki, Kosi and Salmali Sial rivers. This is the birthland of several noted freedom fighters, intellectuals technocrats and bureaucrats. Badrinath. Badrinath temple is one of the holiest Hindu shrines in India. It is situated in the hill town of Badrinath in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. The gates of the temple are open only for a period of 6 months. Kedarnath, one of the remotest Chardham sites as it is located amidst the snow-capped mountains of Himalayas near the river Mandakini. One of the 12 Jyotirlings Lord Shiva shrines present in the country. Gangotri, it is known as the source of river Gangas and also the seat of goddess Ganga. Yamunotri, Yamunotri is the source of sacred river Yamuna and also the abode of goddess Yamuna. Ponds and lakes: Vasuki Tal, Sahastra Tal, Hemkund Lake, Nanak Sagar, Devariya Tal, Sat Tal, Bhim Tal, Naukuchya Tal and Naini Lake. Festivals: Harela and Bhitoli. Folk dance: Cholia, Harul, Chopala. Fairs: Utrani, Punagiri Fair, Devidhura Fair, Thal Mela, Shravani Mela, Jhanda Fair. Renowned educational institutes in Uttarakhand: Forest Research Institute, Dehradun, IIT Roorkee, Kumaon University, Nainital, HNB Garhwal University, IIM Kashipur.